I'm Seth Guerra, team leader for the Guerra Group, Better Homes and Gardens, Gary Green. I was born and raised in New Orleans, Louisiana. I served in the 82nd Airborne Division of the Army. I was a paratrooper. After that, went to LSU. I was licensed in the early part of 2013. And then about the middle of 2019 is when I started thinking about putting together a team. Here I am in the middle of the pandemic, putting a team together, and we're working our first full year. And what do you know, we ended up with the Platinum Award for our production. And it was just so gratifying that all of the hard work, all of the teamwork, all of the sacrifice really paid off. I operate from a servant's heart. I work very diligently to find my clients exactly what they're looking for. What separates me from other agents, I'm going to work diligently on customer service and customer service satisfaction and the client experience. I want that experience to be memorable and as stress-free as possible. What I try to do is provide a buyer's consultation, take them through the process, and answer all of their questions, and give them some expectation of what the process is going to look like. There's the real estate side of it where I'm working with transactions, helping buyers buy, helping sellers sell. One of the things, the driving force behind the leadership team at Better Homes and Gardens, Gary Green, is their focus and their emphasis on providing every single agent all the tools that you would possibly need to be successful. There isn't a thing that goes overlooked for any agent to be successful in this business. And it is a service business. I mean, you have to come at it, and it's the way I come at it, from a servant's heart. I work at the client's pleasure.